to Broadway.
Go back in route.
Division 2 en route, residential fire alarm covering the keypad, no answer on call in.